Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana, and you are looking at a brand new 2021 Heritage Edition Land Cruiser in Midnight Black Metallic. It is sitting level. We have the OEM level spacer, and we have upsized tires. We have the Michelin LXT AT2 LT285 65/18 tire size, effectively a 33. We have the Slee LX570 rock sliders with rock lights underneath of it. As you can see, when the door opens, they illuminate. When you shut the door and lock it, lights fade down and off. We also have the factory roof basket has been removed for transportation purposes. We did give it back to the customer on the inside the vehicle. A couple extra add-ons that we've added is the hatch lights or drawer lights. We have two. It's on a triple toggle switch. We have red or white. Middle position is off. We also have the Tailor tailgate locker, which is going to be hard to show off with one hand because I'm holding my phone. And then we have, we basically dynamatted underneath of it just for additional insulation and sound deadening. And then we have the OEM style carpet underneath of it, glued on. And then we also have these custom ABS plastic trim pieces just so that everything kind of looks exactly factory finished. There's a nice look at the side of it right there. On the inside, show you a couple cool things that we've hardwired in a V1, Valentine V1 Gen 2 radar detector, and also a Garmin 56 dash cam per the customer's request. Box is right there. We have an ARB twin air compressor mounted under the hood on a Slee compressor tray. We have a 12.5 gallon LRA fuel tank. Show you that real fast as well. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.